2018 Ford F-150 diesel, the best-selling strong pickup. Ford has shaped its heavy-duty truck legacy on the brute strength of its power-stroke diesel V8s, but the automaker has never made a serious effort to extend that reputation to its best-selling F-150 half-ton pickup. Whether because of disappointing market research, financial and engineering concerns, limited manufacturing capacity, or possibly lingering memories of General Motors' misunderstood diesel 6.2-liter V8 from the early 1980s, it has taken until now for the light-duty F-Series to bask in the Blue Oval's compression ignition glory. After announcing the diesel F-150 last year at the 2017 Detroit Auto Show, Ford certainly took its time filling in the blanks. We speculated that the engine would be a version of the Lion turbo diesel 3.0-liter V6 jointly developed with PSA Peugeot Citroën years ago and currently used in some Land Rover products, and, as it turns out, we weren't far off the mark. But the EcoBoost branded version headed for the F-150 has undergone some pretty significant upgrades thanks to the same Ford engineering team that brought us the 6.7-liter power stroke. Fully fortified, the engine's output is pegged at 250 horsepower and a maximum of 440 lb-ft of torque, arriving at a usable 1,750 rpm. Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, coupled with a diesel-specific differential ratio, is calibrated to make the most of the diesel torque curve. If those numbers look vaguely familiar, it's likely because they are nearly identical to the 254 horses and 443 lb-ft posted by the Range Rover TD6 diesel, which shares the same basic engine minus the F-150 specific upgrades. As for the rate of payback on the diesel investment, it's a moving target. The first pricing estimates we have from Ford peg the cost of a diesel as a $4,000 upcharge over the 2.7-liter EcoBoost, a $2,400 premium over the cost of a 3.5-liter EcoBoost, and $3,000 more than a 5.0-liter V8. Available for rear, 4, and all-wheel drive F-150 pickups, the 3.0-liter power-stroke diesel will be offered in the 2018 Lariat, King Ranch, and Platinum trims, with SuperCrew trucks able to be ordered with either the 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed, and SuperCab trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. Fleet customers can select the 3.0-liter power-stroke diesel on any trim level of SuperCrew with either bed length, and SuperCab trucks with the long bed only.